Alright, so I managed to recreate Nishihara Isao's artwork from Tokyo Ghoul Season 1 ending. I mean, kinda, but still, the original one is much better, you know. I honestly think it is way better than mine, but I really try my best here. The difference with mine is that I replace Amon with me and Mado with one of my old online friends. Now, how do I do this artwork right here? Now, some of you may be wondering, you know, like, wait, so the artwork in the credit scene of the first season of Tokyo Ghoul is not made by Sui Ishida? From Reddit to Tumblr, it seems like the person who draw this is actually Nishihara Isao or Monaom on Twitter. I don't know why his name like that, but I just found his Twitter. You know, I first tried to find a time-lapse video of his artwork somewhere, but I just didn't find any actually. But it seems like there's none of it on YouTube or anything like that, so yeah, I just move on to step 2, which is analyzing his art. You know, like as art student myself, I always learn how to analyze art and use other people's art as reference. It took me a few hours actually, but I managed to take on a few notes on the detail in the art, and yeah, it actually really helped me a lot. For example, the fact that he used a thick outline on character, and some part have a very abstract looking stroke of brush, but it's not abstract as you thought, that since all the stroke used convey a few information like lighting, shadow and highlight. So I begin my sketch and line art process. I didn't use the brush stabilizer at all, since I saw in his art that he have that natural shaky hand effect to it, you know. I didn't use brush stabilizer at all for line art, and I used one for a sketch, but I didn't use for line art. And yeah, it's not that bad actually. Then come to the most hardest part, which is a freaking coloring. You know, coloring art is so hard for me. I'm so weak at it. So I try to do the base coloring. You know, like putting the base color first and then shading over it, but it doesn't seem to work. And since I don't see the effect that I want, I just, you know, I just go straight with shading. I just keep in mind where the light come from, and all I do is just shade the shadow, except I choose the bluish color instead of white and gray that the character wear in you know, the original artwork, because you know, I want to try to be original as much as possible, and the fact that I want to make my art much more cool than the original one. I mean, the original one is way better and you can feel the coldness in the original one, but I just want to add a little bit more, you know, like that blue cool color. Yeah, in the end, I really happy seeing how it turned out really, because again, this is a very interesting art that I never ever draw, and I really love this artwork, the original artwork, so much from Tokyo Ghoul Season 1 ending, that it finally got to me to draw this one, even though I know it's not original, but I think it still looks cool. But before all of this, before all the ending stuff, you know, like final touch up and everything, I have a challenge with hair, not my hair because it is short, but my friend's hair, which is very long hair. So I decided to just get rid of all the layer of the hair for the shading, and then I just do the base color first, and then somehow it worked. You know, I put some shading over it, putting more line to indicate shadow and stuff, you know, highlight white color, and there you go. I think it looks very good. I really like this one. I post it on my Twitter, and even Nishihara Isao himself liked my tweet, which is very crazy. I'm still not sure if he is really the one or not who draw the artwork for the credit scene of Tokyo Ghoul. I'm still confused about that actually. Again, I got all this information from Reddit. When I search his name on Google, all his artwork appear, which is the one from Tokyo Ghoul Season 1 ending. So you know, I assume this is really him, you know. And the fact that he doesn't reply that, you know, like, oh, you got the wrong guy or anything like that, I think it is really him, I think. But yeah, thank you for watching, and if you guys have any question about art or anything about me, feel free to ask. I'll see you guys next time if this video goes well. I'm so sorry I'm talking so fast and I didn't go in that full tutorial. If you guys really want the full tutorial of this art, I think I can do that, but yeah, we will see how. I'm so busy. I'm going to college in 2 days, so yeah, see you guys next time. You know, I really hope to see you guys. See ya.